In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Life Bible app. So if you want to use or to get the latest version of your Bible with the latest features, it is recommended you go ahead and check for update. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, to be able to update your app, you'll need first to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and search for the app through Google Play Store. So I'll go and look for Play Store, and here's my Play Store. And then once I tap on it, I'll be able to search for any app here. So I'll go ahead and search for my app, and as you can see, my app is here. So I'll tap on it, and as you can see, I'm using an outdated version of the app. Now, by using an outdated version of the app, you might encounter a lot of challenges or problems with your app, such as errors as well as security issues. So to get the latest version of this app, go ahead and tap on update, and this will proceed and download the latest version of this app and then install it on your smartphone. Now, once the installation is done, you'll be able to see this open option, meaning you have an up-to-date app. Now, if you go ahead and open it, you will now see you have the latest version of this app, and it will also come with the latest features. So that's how you can update your Life Bible app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.